Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about LinkedIn AI Assistant and how we can use it to know what to post and what to write when you want to post a job, what to write as the title. This AI will help you do that. So let's dive in. LinkedIn AI Assistant, then press enter. Then you'll find LinkedIn AI Assistant free, ampli.app. So you will use this one, LinkedIn AI Assistant free. On the landing page, what you'll see how it works, features, pricing, the AI LinkedIn Assistant that grows your network. Try AI Assistant for free, so you can use it for free or you can pay. So for us, we are going to use it for free, so you can sign in or get started. So let's get started. So you'll choose free plan, or if you want to pay, this is a limited offer, you can also pay. So for us, we are going to use this one. We are going to start for free and then create an account. Mine already exists, so I'll just sign in. So sign in. Okay, on the dashboard, what you'll see is this one. You can click maybe later. You'll see your email, the plan you are using right now. So mine is free plan, or you can upgrade content studio, image studio. Here you can generate images, but if you are using a free plan, this page will be locked because it needs you to upgrade plan before you use it. Here you can check your account, the credits you have. For first timers, you're going to have 20 credits which you can use to generate content. So let's create our content. So if you want to post an idea, so here is idea to post, or you want to post news. If you want to post a news from another browser, so you just copy the URL and then you come and paste it here. So for us, we want to create an idea. So let's say started my summer last year. After writing that, you can click next. If you viral reach, authority, or funnel. So viral reach will be strong hooks, emotions, contrarian text. So you can choose. So you can educate, provide context, or show expertise. So for us, we are going to use authority or funnel. You click it and then you'll be able to click next. So you'll click next. So you'll generate 5 posts with 1 credit. So you're going to click generate 5 posts for 1 credit. So if you have 20, you'll already be remaining with 18 credits. So the good thing is you'll be able to generate 5 posts and you can edit them the way you want, because this AI always there is some errors, so you must go through what it has generated. So generated content, also AI disclaimer, generated content may contain errors. Use as direction for your post and adjust as needed. So you just need to adjust it the way you want. So let's say we are going to use this one. So we can edit. You can remove these emojis, then click save changes. So after doing that, you can copy content. So after copying this one, you can go to your LinkedIn profile, and then you paste it there and then post. It will be just as easy as that to use it. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you.